what you're hearing isn't some roaring space beast.
They say space is silent. No air, no sound, just endless emptiness. But what if I told you that the universe does make sound? Sounds so eerie, so haunting, they'll send chills through your spine. What you're about to hear isn't fiction. These are the real voices of the cosmos. Imagine floating in the vastness of space, surrounded by nothing but stars. Then, suddenly, you begin to hear it. A deep, resonating hum that seems to come from everywhere and nowhere. That's the sound of a black hole bending space and time so violently that even light can't escape. NASA's data turned its radio waves into sound. And the result? A ghostly mechanical moan, the death cry of a star collapsing under its own gravity. Now, travel farther. You approach Jupiter, the gas giant. Its storms are not just beautiful, they're terrifying. When converted into sound, Jupiter growls like an ancient beast. Its magnetic field roars with bursts of radiation, creating audio waves that sound like alien screams echoing through static. Scientists say it's one of the loudest and most chaotic environments in the solar system. Then there's Saturn, silent and graceful from afar. But when we translate its radio emissions, it hisses like whispering ghosts trapped inside the rings. These are particles colliding, lightning crackling across the clouds, and plasma waves rippling through magnetic fields. The planet that looks peaceful in pictures is alive with strange, electric fury. Move beyond our solar system, and you'll hear something even more unsettling. The cosmic microwave background, the oldest sound in the universe. It's the after-echo of the Big Bang, still ringing after nearly 14 billion years. When we convert it to audio, it's a faint static hum, the heartbeat of creation itself. Think about it. Every time you tune between radio stations and hear that static, part of that noise is the echo of the birth of everything. And finally, imagine the void, the deep, intergalactic nothingness between galaxies. Even here, low-frequency gravitational waves ripple through space-time. They can't be heard by our ears, but when translated into sound, they become a haunting, endless vibration. The universe's background song, eternal and cold. These sounds remind us that space isn't empty. It's alive. It speaks, not in words, but in frequencies and echoes of energy. Every star, every planet, every cosmic event has its own voice. Together, they form a terrifying symphony that never ends. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the silence you see is an illusion. Space is screaming. We just can't hear it. If this sent shivers down your spine, subscribe to What If Files, where science meets imagination, and the universe whispers its deepest secrets.